Calculating the total displacement as a sum of different vectors can be tricky when you find the single movements of an object expresses in distances and angle. Fortunately, your calculator has specific functions designed to do that. Think about a vector of length 1. If we know the angle of the vector with an axis, we can calculate the components using our calculator. We need to use the cosine button and then write the angle to find the parallel component and the sine button to find the perpendicular component. When the vector does not have a length of 1, we just multiply the length of the vector by the cosine and by the sine and we get the vector components. So now we can solve our original problem. We just need to multiply the length of the vector by the cosines and sines of each one of the angles. Then we substitute every value we have found using our calculator. We find the components one by one, and then we use vector addition to get to the final result. If you want to calculate the length of a vector from the components, you can obviously use the Pythagorean theorem. You can also calculate the angle of a vector by using the inverse tangent function of your calculator. But pay attention when you do this because the length of the displacement vector is equal to the distance only when we travel in a straight line. In our original problem, the distance covered by the plane is just 250 kilometers, which you can easily calculate as a sum of the partial distances.